Can you hear that noise? Can you hear that sound? This is the one that makes that sound. This frog here is so small, but it can make that noise. Sounds like a cow, especially during rainy season. That's how it sounds like. Can you hear it? See? But actually, this is the frog that makes that noise. He's a small frog. Hello, froggy. Huh? Make a noise for me. Make a noise. Make a noise with your friends out there making noise. See? That's the frog. Let me focus it. See how it looks? You see? It's running away from me. Come, baby. Where are you going? Make a noise. Go sing with your friends. See, they're singing. They're singing. They're singing. Are you watching my plants here outside? Okay.